Good morning from my car park. I'm going to Cheltenham today. I'm joining the rest of the Bristol Buttwelders crew as we do some heavyweights and featherweights. So yeah, we're going to a nearby town to a leisure centre, as in the UK that's typically where we fight large robots. He's doing the pose. Welcome to Extreme Robots, where are we?
Cheltenham.
Cheltenham!
Hello!
It's hat time.
I'm
missing pliers.
Oh.
Flamingo has wings on. Craig's cable tied up. It's Halloween themed.
Edition. Mr. Cat's Haunted.
You're a few weeks late.
Mr. Cat's Haunted Mansion.
Oh, that's so good. And then Krabby's alive. Yeah, it's looking alright.
Everything is going to be fine.
Everything's going to be fine. And we're on the first fight as well. Cheers, boy. First fight of the day, Eruption, Manta, and that boy.
And Real Steel, which looks awesome.
And Scott. Bye, Scott.
What is pink? Make Extreme Robots pink again.
No right. Where we're going, we just go in circles. Oh, that's bent.
This is very bent.
So first fight, Craig had how much drive, Craig?
We had 3/4 drive.
3/4 drive.
3/4 drive.
Forward.
Forward, backwards, and left. And then forwards again.
And then forwards again.
Instead of right.
Is that what the other one did? When you went right, it went forward? You did right, you drove well.
We did alright. Like, the fact that it's still working is amazing, and I'm really excited now.
The wing got abused a bit, and we got the heads jammed in a wall. Look at this. Felix, the legend, is
Good boy.
Is the good boy. The builder of the good boy is being our good boy today with this wing.
Go on, put your back into it.
Can't do.
So, aftermath, feather guys. Craig, is it working?
Functional.
Hey, Joe, crap.
It's working.
Hey!
We survived. Celebratory claw flail. How dare you? Summary of the featherweight fight's really good. Both the robots are fully functional with no repairs required, and that's how we like to do robotics.
It's the best way to do robots.
And here we see Flamingo in their natural habitat.
Right.
Let's give it up for the rider!
First fight of the second show for Flamingo went awesome. It was a 2v2 with middleweights and heavyweights, and Mingo did great. It was awesome. No repairs this time. Feather fight, Scott drove the crab the first time, went a bit heavy on the drive, and some damage to the wheels to be repaired. Going good though.
Flashing Mingo boys.
Red teams, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, activate!
What do we think about the last fight of the day?
It was alright. We got thrown out really quickly.
Yeah, we did.
Fight against Eruption, there's not much you can do about it.
No.
We took a bit of damage.
Who from?
So we got flipped out of the arena by Eruption. They put us back in the arena, and then our wing fell in the pit. And following that, it all bent and twisted, and the well broke. So
you would say the humans damaged our
yeah,
robot?
it's bad when people can actually damage a robot, but he's a bit sore at the moment.
The 6th of December. It's on Thursday.
Oh wow, it's soon.
Hashtag content. This is the face all roboteers fear. Alright.
No, I got
Right before you go flying out the arena.
You. Oh no, no, it's not me.